Guys, what's poppin'? Today I will show you how to make a easy flasher. And by the way, you guys can use any piece of paper. You guys can use commie paper. Yeah, you guys can use commie paper, any paper, A4 paper, colored paper. Yeah. All right. For this one, if you guys are using commie, you guys don't follow these steps. All right. First, let me just trim this into a square. You guys can use A4 printer paper, all right? I suggest A4 printer paper probably works pretty well. All right. So first, take this part. Now fold it to the side. Try to align it edge to edge. Here, let me just check. Quick. I know my head will appear. It's just I'm checking. Align edge to edge. All right. Now fold. Now fold all on the sides. All right. Now crease sharply. I'm gonna crease sharply. All right. Now you guys can cut this extra part off. I'm just gonna tear it. All right. Guys can just cut it off, but for me, I'm just gonna tear it. We need to trim the A4 paper to a square paper if you want to make the flasher. That's why, but if you use commie paper, then it will work. Now, fold here. Okay, now take this part and tear. All right, now you can get rid of this extra part. All right, now fold in half. Fold in half. Right. Fold in half. I'm just gonna fold. Okay, now you made very crease sharply. Now crease it sharply, and now open it up. Now take this part and fold it to that edge. Okay, now rotate. Now take this part and fold it here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fold right there. Okay, now just folding. Okay, now you guys just fold here. Okay, after you guys made that fold, just crease it sharply. Do the same thing. Yeah. Okay, now take this part and now fold it here. Okay. Oops, sorry. Okay. Okay, now fold. Now crease sharply. Crease sharply. Yep. Okay, now crease sharply again. Okay, leave a comment in the description below if you guys can see it. I'm just checking if you guys could see it. Leave comment down below if you can. Okay, now turn over. Now take these two edges and fold them here. It's okay. Fold here. Okay, now rotate. Now fold here. Oops. Sorry, kind of hit the camera. Okay. Okay. After folding, okay, fold it there. Okay, now turn over, now fold like that. Oops, kind of made the folds go wrong. Yeah, I'm just gonna make it go neat. Okay. Just take your time, you guys. No need to rush. Just take your time. No need to rush. Right, and you guys can always pause the video if I'm going too slow. Okay, now open it on this side. Open it on this side. Now if you guys have it open this side, just rotate this way. Now repeat the same steps we did. Okay? Yeah. That includes those steps. Yeah, repeat those same steps that you guys did. Sorry, folded wrong a bit. Open up, fold to that crease. Okay, now rotate this way, now fold on there. Okay, now fold here. Okay, now take this part, fold it here. Okay, now fold here. Okay, just try your best to fold it, everybody. Okay, fold, fold, fold. Okay, now just fold here. Crease sharply. Okay, now rotate. Now take this part, now fold it up here. Fold here. Fold, just keep folding. Fold, keep folding. Okay, now turn over. Now take these two edges, now fold it here. Okay. Fold. Let me just check if I'm still recording. Yep. Okay. Okay, fold. Okay, now fold there. Okay, now fold here. Sorry, kind of made that kind of made it wrong. Yep. Okay, now rotate. Now fold to this edge. Okay, now turn over. Now fold in half. Right. Congratulations, you guys. You have made the 8x8 grid. Congratulations. All right. The next step is to do this. Okay. Fold here. Okay, now fold on these two edges. Fold. Okay, now turn over. Now, guys, draw this. Okay, take a piece of paper. Take a pencil. Take your pencil. Now, draw on these. Draw here. And now draw here. Draw a line. Try to draw a line. Okay, draw a line here. Okay. Now draw a line over here. Okay. Okay. Draw. Okay, now draw. Oops, sorry. Now let's complete this line. Okay, now everybody do this. Okay, now extend these folds. Extend these folds. Extend these folds like this. Extend these folds like this. Fold here. Extend it like that. Extend it like that. Now rotate this way. Extend it like that. Yeah. Just keep extending to the middle square. And extend here. Here. Extend here. Extend here. Okay, now guys, just push it together. Okay, now make a fold. Make this fold right here. Make a fold over here. Wait, let me just fold it again. Okay, yeah. Okay, now make a fold that goes here. Okay, now everybody, after you fold it here, like that. Okay, now you already have, yeah, now fold this part. Okay, now fold here. Okay, now, yeah, that's the thing. Okay, now have it this way. Turn it over. Now fold. Now extend it again. Oops, sorry, I did it the wrong way. Okay, here. Here, turn it over. Now extend actually this way. I meant this way, not that way. Okay, I just skipped those parts. Sorry, I did it wrong. Yeah. No, skip that part. Okay, now extend all these parts again as it was. This time, fold on this crease. Oops. Okay. Fold here. Don't forget all those steps. Okay, now we have extended this part. Okay, now it's time to do this. Now push behind right here. Now you have that mount and fold. Crease sharply. Now make this fold a valley. Fold this edge to here. Now crease it sharply. Okay, do the same thing on all of the sides. So it's like this side. Okay, like that. Okay, now this side. Okay, now fold that. Do the same thing on all the sides, and you guys can always pause the video or slow down the video, like I said before. Okay, now you guys have this. Now, this is what I want you to do. Pay really close attention. Now push this whole thing together, all right? Okay, like push it together like we're wrapping something. Push it and wrap it, all right? See, that was not a very hard step. All right, now just fold on these sides sharply. Fold very sharply. Yeah, squish it, squash it, and yeah. All right, everybody, you're all done. Hope you enjoyed.